What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today I'm doing a follow-up on my Apple Mac Mini M2 version. So I picked this up about a week ago, a little bit over a week, I'm not sure. And I want to come back and just talk about my experience with this device so far and let you know how it's going. So far this has been great. And when I first did the unboxing, I also unboxed a hub that I had, which was the Satechi hub, which that one didn't include a slot where you can increase your memory. So recently I sent that one back, and I got the one from QuizLab. This one's by QuizLab right here. And it does have the slot underneath where you can add your own storage there. So ended up going with this one. Now the one that I wanted to get, it had two ports here, Type-C ports on the back of it, meaning that you could power the actual hub itself individually, but they were out of stock, so I ended up getting this one. As you guys see, it has a Type-C on the back. It's got the HDMI, VGA, and in the front of it, you're gonna have, you got a USB 2.0, USB 3.0, you got a SD and micro SD card and a Type-C port there. Now, one thing about this one, it doesn't have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and that's something that I probably wish I would have paid attention to and got, but this is the one I got. I also picked up this 1 terabyte SSD to go inside of the hub. This is by WB Blue, and this is the Blue SA510. All I needed was 1 terabyte. I'm not going to be using this for video editing or anything like that on a regular or normal basis. Definitely drop the link for this and the hub down below in the description. So the Mac Mini has been awesome so far. I haven't had any issues with this. It's been performing great, and it's very nice. Quiet, small, doesn't heat up, out of the way, very compact, and that's what I like about it. It's so small you could take this and put it in a bag, carry it with you if you have a portable monitor, and you got your complete setup there if you need to go on a trip and you want to take it with you. I have mine connected to this 24-inch monitor here, and I'm using my portable monitor, 15.6-inch, as my secondary monitor. Now, I don't have a big elaborate desk setup. I have no need for that. This is very simple, and it's easy for me, perfect for what I need. My portable monitor, I can disconnect it and take it with me whenever I need to. And then when I need a secondary monitor, I got it hooked up here. Now the Mac Mini can push several 4K monitors, I think, if I'm not mistaken on that, guys. From what I've read, it's capable of doing that as well. So the only downfall I don't like, the only thing I don't like about the Mac Mini, it doesn't come with a whole lot of ports. So that's why I added the external hub, the hub Type-C hub with the SSD enclosure in it. So as far as the storage on here, you guys see over here in the corner, I have this labeled as external storage. That's how I'm supplementing my storage on here, since I only have the 256 gigabyte version of it. We go over here to about, you see I have the base model, 8 gigabytes of RAM version right there. Let's go ahead and check the storage. So as you guys see, I have the 256 gigabytes of storage. I got 195 left, so I haven't added too much on here. Go to volumes. This is where you're going to see my external storage, I call it, the 1 terabyte. For what I'm going to use this for, web browsing, watching movies, checking emails, FaceTiming, stuff like that. It's going to be great for me, but you can do your word processing if you need to, video editing, photo editing. All of that should be great on here. A lot of people say you need 16 gigabytes of RAM. If you want to do serious video editing and photo editing, I checked out Mr. J.L. Williams' video about all that, and he debunked that. He showed that you can use the 8 gigabytes just fine. You won't have any issues with that. So for me, I'm not going to be doing that kind of stuff. I normally edit on my tablet and, on the go. So, but I know if I need to sit here at my desk and do that, then I can do that as well. Also, they say this is capable of gaming as well. So on the Mac Mini here, You're going to see stuff that it came with. So you got your Apple Store there, your App Store, Safari, your normal Apple stuff here. GarageBand is on here, Photo Boot. You got your maps on here as well. Apple TV, numbers, pages, news, weather, stocks, your Apple stuff here. In this folder here, you got shortcuts, QuickTime Player, look like a chess game, just different things here that comes on here. A lot of this stuff I don't use at all. And flipping over to the next page, I added the Google Chrome browser, which I like using the Google Chrome browser. I got Audacity, LumaFusion right here as well. Like I said, if I want to do some video editing, Blackmagic speed test, and you can get iMovie. iMovie is already here, and you can load up your favorite editing software on here as well, and it is speedy and fast. So let's go ahead and open up some stuff. So there's Safari. Let's open up calculator. Let's open up clock, Chrome browser, weather, stocks. Let's open up Apple TV, news, App Store, and LumaFusion. As you guys see, all of this stuff pops up real quick. No issues moving around and getting into things. It's just going to be fast. The M1 was fast, and this is definitely fast as well. I don't know how much faster because, like I said, the M1 was very fast. So I'm going to close this stuff out right there. And let's go into the Chrome browser, since this is my the browser that I like. And let's open up some different web pages here. Chrome works great on here. A lot of people like or don't like Chrome. As you guys see, I'm loading up app after app after app. These new processors are extremely fast, fluent, and you're not going to have any slowdowns or doing anything like that. It's just going to be great. Popping back into and strolling through, as you guys see, very nice right there. You can take and split screen this very easy. Have something going over here and something going over here. Just fast, speedy, and quiet, and very nice. So this is going to last me for a long time. I'm glad I picked it up. The Apple Mac Mini M2. I'll do a follow-up on it in a few months or a few weeks or whatever. If I have any issues or things going on, definitely will report back. Will H. I'm out.